Hello, my name is Kayla. Welcome to my channel. No medicine can cure cold and flu. This fact took me a long time to sink in. The moment we breathe in cold and flu virus, it goes into our body and it begins to destroy the cells in our body, and this triggers our immune system to rise into action. And then the action by this our immune cascade actually produces an inflammation, which in turn manifests as common symptoms of cold and flu. Symptoms like sore throat, runny nose, mucus discharge, dry cough, sometimes even greenish mucus discharge. Just like some over-the-counter drugs, some natural ingredients can help to shorten the duration of these symptoms and strengthen our immune system through their bioactive compounds. In today's video, I carefully picked out some 5 ingredients which I use in preparing tangerine. My husband actually named it tangerine. He absolutely loves it. And it's a practical home remedy for cold, flu, cough, or just to give your immune system a boost on an ordinary day. A cup of tangerine can do the job. Watch to the end because I'll be sharing an alternative way to prepare it, which shortens the time by 70%. And I'll be sharing 3 more tips, natural tips that helps me navigate cold and flu season. So let's jump into action. So we are going to be using tea, ginger, garlic, lime juice, and raw honey. Let's talk about ginger. Ginger contains phenolic compounds and terpenes. Phenolic compounds such as gingerol, chargos, and paradols. Well, you don't have to bother yourself about all these things, but once you get ginger, it has these bioactive compounds, and together they give ginger the anti-inflammatory activity, antiviral, antibacterial, antioxidants, and all of this effect is needed to soothe the symptoms of cold and cough and flu naturally. Garlic and why I'm using it in this drink is particularly because it has a broad spectrum of antibacterial activity as well and antioxidant activity as well. Well, some might find garlic offensive in the sense that they won't like the after mouth odor it will leave. So you just play around with it, maybe tune it down, use small amount, or skip it if you like. Others as well have almost the same property and it will still suit your cold and cough, but garlic in it makes it stronger. So the choice is yours. For our lime juice, we are not going to be cooking or boiling it together with ginger, tea and garlic. We are going to wait until it's down there so that we won't destroy the most important bioactive compound it has, which is vitamin C, which is a very good agent in boosting our immune system. So we're going to be using it, just squeezing it once our tea is ready. To be using honey for its wound healing property, antibacterial activity as well, antioxidant activity as well. So make sure you just get raw honey. You can get this raw honey if you would like. I will leave a link in the description box below. Did you enjoy the video? Give it a thumbs up. I just hope you will give it a try, and when you try, come drop a comment for me in the comment section below. For more updates on nutrition, infant food recipes, and a whole lot of nutrition concepts and how you can easily apply it, subscribe to this channel. This is the Boss Talk, guys. Subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one. Bye. Oh my god. I almost forgot it, but let's take it away. The alternative way to prepare this tangerine and 3 more tips that helps me suit or navigate cold and flu season. 3 more tips that helps me suit or navigate cold and flu season. Have a steam bath. You can just on your shower to steam and stay there for a while, and then to suit you. You don't. You can alternatively, you can boil water and fill it in a bucket and cover yourself with a blanket, and that can also help in clearing your airways. Take a deep rest, reduce activity, take rest so that you can strengthen, you can help your immune system. Your body will be less active, and that will strengthen your immune system as well. The third one is that you can allow tangerine to cool down and then gargle with it, particularly if you have the sore throat symptoms. All right, take care. See you in another one.